Registration provisions were brought in because we had a lot of defunct companies. So those were on the register.
Yeah.
And that time it was not a digital register like this. It was a manual kind of a register.
And they were not filing their annual accounts.
Many were not compliant, so to say. Because of such companies, we had a lot of administrative expenses at the registry itself. So we wanted to take a stock of the companies which are really functioning and are live. In order to do that, when we discussed this, David Goddard, who was our consultant at that time, he said that what we did when our new act came in was to introduce re-registration. We introduced that in a hurry, and now what are you going to do with the abandoned assets if a company just has assets but non-operational? So the only thing that logical thing is for those to be vested with the state. We also in that rush, this was one of the last provisions that were brought in before this act was brought into the order paper, and even the others who looked at the act overlooked that. And there was another provision in the Companies Act where defunct companies could be struck off by the registrar, section 394, where there was a process that was given, and at the end of it, it says that if a company has been struck off due to oversight by some of the parties, the secretary either dying or vanishing or whatever, they have provided 5 years for them to come to court, put forward the reasons and get the company back onto the register. So that provision, unfortunately, I'm also a party to it. 2006, when this was brought in, we have omitted that part and done the amendment to 487, just allowing
the companies to be
struck off if they do not provide the details within a period of 1 year. Initially, the registrar advertised. It's a very robust kind of advertising process that he went through. And there he wanted all the companies to report whether they are functioning or not, on or before the 2nd of May 2008. So the ones who have not done that, they again published a list of those in the newspapers and the Gazette, and announced that these companies will be struck off. So that is how that happened, and it did not have this resurrecting method.